Hello traders, welcome to ChrisFX. Today I will take you through one of the best setups. If you master this setup, you can pass any prop firm with just this setup alone. Real quick, this setup I saw from TTrades and I'm gonna give you my take on it. If you want to check out TTrades channel, just click on the link that I will leave down in the description. An amazing teacher and an amazing trader as well. Now, we are also using a bunch of more confluences, and if you want to learn all about those setups and how to take all of those winning trades as I did right here, and I have proof of them of course, then all you have to do is just join the trading signals and pass your prop firm challenge, or book an one-on-one mentoring with me where I will teach you exactly how I'm doing what I'm doing and you will find success right away. So let's begin with the video. The first setup is exactly right here. We are on Nasdaq. We are on the 15-minute time frame. What I will do, I will go a little bit behind right here, and I will have to tell you that these setups do not need to appear on the silver bullet hours. This is just bullshit. You don't need to trade during those hours only. Most of the setups happen outside of those hours, believe it or not, so do not get attached to one thing that you have learned and go right away and test this strategy as I'm gonna teach it to you. What do we have exactly right here? We have a draw on liquidity. I will teach you quickly. If you haven't checked my previous video on how to interpret candlesticks, then go ahead and click on the top right of your screen right now and you will be able to identify what I am identifying. So here we are, we have closed above this one on the 15-minute time frame, above the high of this candlestick and above this swing high. What am I expecting? I'm expecting to see higher prices right here, and we have a drawn liquidity, which is this area right here, which means that this area right here is gonna be acting as our draw on liquidity. I keep moving forward. What am I seeing right now? I'm seeing that we break with a body above this 15-minute candlestick with the next candlestick. Nonetheless, here that we had the drawn liquidity, what we did, we broke above this area with a wick, and then the body closed below this swing high right here. Of course, we have closed with a body above the previous candlestick, but this holds more validity because it is a swing high. What I'm gonna do right away, of course, this happens dynamically as this candlestick is being formed. I'm gonna move down to the 1-minute time frame and I'm gonna show you what I will be looking for. For the moment, we have broken above this area right here. Okay, inability to break above this high, and I will keep moving forward. This is the 9:30 manipulation that we usually see. I will keep moving a little bit forward. Okay, nothing crazy. We cannot see anything in particular. What we can see only is that we have broken above this high, and now if I see a displacement towards the downside, I will be looking to take a trade. Nothing yet. Okay, we don't have anything right here. We keep moving forward and I will show you how this looks as well. So here we broke now above this area, correct? And if I go to the 15-minute time frame, you will be able to see the next candlestick. Again, we are respecting not only this high right here, but at the very same time, we are within this FVG and we have hit the middle point of this FVG. So let's go ahead and I will show you the box setup by TTrades as I have seen it. Now we have our displacement. We broke below this area. So what is the box setup? When you break above a previous high or below a previous low, and then immediately you come back into your range right here and you come impulsively. This is very important. Even if this happens right here, and then you come, you consolidate, and then you break. I'm gonna show another example after this one. Then you can use the box setup. And as TTrades is showing it, you are using then the top of the bodies and you're placing your pending order exactly right here. Okay, so we broke above the highs. We had our 15-minute time frame analysis. We came instantly and very impulsively below. We broke also below a low right here. So our order can go exactly right here and we can target way lower. And let's see how this plays out to the pip. You see the activation is to the pip. So this is the area that broke outside of the range. Then it came right back in. We got activated with this wick and off you go. If I go to the 15-minute time frame, you will see how perfectly this thing played out. I think it reached more than 10-1. Actually, I closed the rest of it today. Let's exit this replay mode. It actually went, I am mistaken, it went to 7-1. Exactly right here. Beautiful setup. I'm just gonna show you another example, okay? Because I believe you have to learn from those examples. And the next example is gonna be this example right here, okay, which is counter trend, and we were able to capitalize on this one, this one, this one, this one. I didn't take, but then I took this one. I just identified this one right here. So I'm gonna show you this example right here without giving away our whole strategy, which anyways you won't be able to trade even if I would show you, because you don't have the experience. And I'm not trying to be insulting, but if you would be having the experience, you wouldn't be here. So in this occasion, from the 15-minute time frame, you see that we had our first reaction here, and you might ask, why are we not entering here? Those are things that I can teach you, as I said. And then you might ask, since we didn't break below this area, which is our drawn liquidity, why are we gonna consider entering a trade here? This is besides the point again. What I can tell you though is that here we were expecting for the low to be grabbed with the next candlestick. The low was grabbed, and then the body of the candlestick, of the next candlestick, closed within the range of this candlestick, so I will be looking for buys. What I'm gonna be doing, I'm scaling down to the 1-minute time frame, and I will move a little bit back. Okay, if we analyze price action right here, what we can see instantly is that we have a swing low, which we broke below, and then now we have a new swing low. We don't know what's gonna be happening with it. What we can see, we broke below this swing low. We left a huge wick, as you see it right here, and then instantly we come impulsively and we break above this swing high. This is a swing high right here. Now I will be waiting for yet another candlestick. Here there is another candlestick just to see the reaction of the next candlestick, and as TTrades is just explaining it, then you will be taking the bodies of the candlesticks right here, or you can just say, in this occasion I'm going for the breaker block, which is something that many times I'm doing, and also this falls on the middle of this fair value gap, as you see right here, so it is the perfect point to enter in this occasion with a small adjustment. And you can hit first profits all the way up there, or you can go ahead and hit this one as your first target. This is totally up to you, or you can go for a minimum 2, 3-1, whatever you want as a fixed, let's say, amount. And there you go. This is our trade. Another beautiful trade using the box setup. So pretty much just to recap things, of course, according to my opinion, if you want to implement the box setup perfectly fine, then you need to analyze a higher time frame compared to the one that you are trading it on, but you can do it also on the same time frame as TTrades is explaining it, then a break above and then an immediate return below. Okay, so we have the immediate return, then you have this manipulation. It is clearly a manipulation because we know that here we broke impulsively back into the range. Now, instead of taking the wicks, right here, let's say that there are wicks on top right here, you will take the bodies, the highest body, and you will be placing your pending order exactly right here with the stop loss above, and then you can target whatever you want to target. And most of the times, this is how it's gonna be playing out, okay? But one thing that I want you to know, if there is an FVG in the middle, let's say that there is an FVG right here, it is fine if you just take it a little bit lower, because if there is an FVG, it is likely that price is not gonna come all the way up. Now, if there's no FVG at all, there is still no problem at all. You can take this setup, which is amazing. This is a very important setup. You can still take this setup, even though there is no FVG. So this is the box setup if you want to learn all about my strategies and how I'm using them. Once and for all, you can book a one-on-one call with me, and I guarantee you that I will turn you into a profitable trader. And of course, you can join my trading signals, where I have been smashing it even after a small drawdown that we have had in the past 2 weeks. I'm now able not only to recover, but to recover extremely fast, and I have adjusted to the market. So you will see everything transparently, and you will also see me trading live twice per day, which is gonna be 3 times per day, only for the small price of $49, which is by far the best, most transparent and most valuable service that you will find on the market, with one of the most transparent teachers. No bullshit here. Here on ChrisFX, we are bringing trading, realistic trading, back to life. Also, please leave me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more free educational content. This is gonna do it for today, traders, and thank you all for watching. Until next time.